Today we are making paradise tea. Yay! So we're making paradise tea. Isn't it wonderful to get away? No, maybe you really are on your own island or somewhere in paradise. Or maybe you're in your home, but who cares? Put on your swimsuit, get pretty, and make paradise tea. Turn on some spa music and make it a me day. Yay! So, let me go over what you need for this very simple, nutritious, and refreshing recipe. Alright, so you're going to need green tea. Alright, tea bags, green tea, yes indeedy. Also, you're going to need cucumbers and oranges. I'm using mandarins, so you can use mandarins if you want. You can use oranges, okay? So you need those. Look at that. I've already cut them up for us. And you also need sugar. Now, if you want to do something a little more healthy and cut down on your sugar, you can use a sugar substitute such as Splenda, or I'm using, what is this? Stevia. That's what I'm using, okay? Or if you're just feeling a certain kind of way, you want to use regular sugar, use regular sugar, but be careful and make sure that you check your glucose levels. All right, so let's get this party started. I'm gonna go ahead and start boiling the water, all right? So we can go ahead and get our green tea bags on the stove. Here's a cool tip, well, really a hot tip. So, I like to boil the tea bags, okay? So, the water is hot, it's boiling, and I drop the tea bags in and let it boil inside. And I love to do this because I feel like I'm getting everything out of the tea bags. Now, normally people will go ahead and boil the water, turn the stove off, and then drop the tea bags in and let it steep. But I like to boil the tea bags, and then I'm going to turn the stove off, cover it, and let it steep. So that's my little tip to you. Try it out. While the water's boiling and we have our tea bags inside the water, I'm going to go over what we have here. So what we're going to do is, after the tea bags are done boiling in the water, the stove is off, and we've allowed time for the tea to steep, right? Because we want to get all of that green tea into our water. So once that is completed, the next thing that we're going to do, oh, you won't believe this, honey, we are going to place cucumbers and oranges or mandarins inside the pot. Turn the stove back on and begin to boil these inside the pot. All right, so we're going to do that next. I've covered the pot. The tea bags are nice and boiled inside, and the stove is off, so now it's just a matter of letting it steep and cool off. I've turned the stove back on, and I've placed the cucumbers and mandarins inside the pot. And what's going to happen, we're going to go ahead and boil the cucumbers and mandarins or oranges inside the pot. And what's that's going to do, all that flavor from the cucumbers and flavor from the oranges or mandarins, that's going to just spill over into the green tea and give it a nice flavor. So I'm going to go ahead and boil this. Depending on how high you have your stove on, you can boil this for about 5 minutes or 10 minutes. I have this on high heat, so I will boil this for no more than 5 minutes. And then afterwards, I'm going to go ahead and remove the cucumbers and the mandarins from the pot. Yay! Everything is boiling. Now remember, we went ahead and removed the tea bags. So the only thing that we have in the pot right now are our cucumbers and our oranges or mandarins, along with our delicious green tea. I have about 1 more minute to go, and then this will be all done. We're all finished. It is your spa day. You have your swimsuit on You have your spa music going on. You have your phone turned off, but not while looking at this video. But you have your phone turned off, okay? And now you can enjoy your little piece of paradise with Paradise Tea. So here it is. I've added cucumber and mandarin within this glass, okay? So I have a little picture here. Now, before we dive into this wonderful Paradise Tea, I want you to know what you are getting on your spa day. You just absolutely need to know this. So I have a little cheat sheet here. All right, are you ready to be blown away of all the wonderful, healthy benefits that you are about to drink from this glass? Here it is. Cucumber, hydration, antioxidant, weight loss, lower blood sugar, digestion. Wow. Mandarin, antioxidant, healthy skin, immune system, digestion, liver, blood pressure, bone and teeth, wrinkles, heart, anti-inflammatory. Oh, those benefits are so nice. Green tea, antioxidant, circulation, lower cholesterol, blood pressure, weight loss, brain function, fight against cancer, anti-aging, bones, immune system, and fights against diabetes. You deserve this spa day. You deserve this little piece of paradise. And look at all the wonderful, healthy benefits you are getting in this healthy glass. Cheers to us. Cheers to you. Cheers to your spa day. Cheers to your me time. Oh yeah. And you can't forget your candles. I have mine. Do you have yours? I hope you enjoyed this video. Let's toast. So refreshing. So refreshing. And so healthy. I feel the wrinkles going away. I hope you enjoyed this. Make sure that you come back and see me here in the kitchen. Listen, it's all about being healthy and having fun while doing it. Healthy does not have to be boring. I'm so excited to be able to share these recipes and ideas with you, with myself, because I'm on this journey as well. We are on the journey together to a better, healthy life. Make sure you check out my website, cvventertainment.com. Follow me all over social media, and I cannot wait to see you back here in the kitchen.